Shalom Aleichem, welcome to Assyrian Dishes. I'm Julian and today we'll be making banana, custard and walnut cream cake. So let's start baking. There are 3 parts of ingredients for the banana, custard, walnut cream cake. For the first part, you will need a French vanilla cake mix or white cake mix, 1 cup of milk, 3 eggs, and half a cup of vegetable oil. For the second part, the filling, you will need 2 cups of crushed walnuts, half a teaspoon of cardamom, a packet of banana instant pudding or banana custard, and 2 cups of milk. For the third part, you will need some Cool Whip or whipped cream, 1 banana, and some crushed pistachios for garnishing. And this is how your banana, custard, walnut and cream cake should look like. Have it with some chai and enjoy. Remember to subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share this recipe with your friends. Don't forget to visit my website at AssyrianDishes.com for more recipes. Happy cooking everyone!